Hello, I'm Ramin Siranaka, and, on the previous video, we discussed how to develop the sign up form, and today we're going to discuss how to develop the signing form. So, let's go for a demonstration first. So, I'm going to input my email. And then the password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you could put remember me or not. We're gonna discuss that in the next video. And then we press sign in, and there you go. We sign into the web application, and let's go back to the sign page. Let's see how does it work. So if we go to the code, here's the sign in box, and when we fill the email input and the password input, and then we press the sign in button, and the sign in function is called. So and let's go to the sign in function. Here the elements of the sign in box, which are the email input and the password input, are assigned to the variable email and password, and new form data is created and assigned to the variable left, and the value of email and password are appended to the form data and is sent by through post method to sign process.php. And if we go to the sign in process, here the we have a session start to set up the session when we log in. Then we have the statement requires connection PHP to write these queries, SQL queries, and then the variables, the values that are sent through the post method are captured by the post arrays and is assigned to these variables, and those variables are going through a validation process. We discussed that in the we discussed how the validation process works in the previous video. Here and when the values have gone through the validation process, those email value and the password value is sent through an select query to the database. So if you go to the database, here are the details of the users. So here's my name and the email and the password. So if the entered email is in the database and have an equivalent row, as you can see from the condition right here, is if there is a row containing the entered email and the password, and a string called success is echoed, and the row is taken from the database and is assigned to the $d variable, and session is a session array is called u is started, and the value of d is assigned to it. Here I have the remember me. We're gonna discuss in the next video. and if there is not an email, and if there is not a if there isn't an record containing the email and the password that is entered, and it gives an error message: invalid email, password, or email address or password. Let's go ahead and check that. So if we enter the email, and I'm gonna put a random text to the password. So this isn't the correct password, and let's go ahead and try to sign in. And there you go, there's a alert saying invalid email or password. So how does that happen? If you go to the sign in function, there's a function called onReady stage change. When the new HTTP request, which is made to send the form data, when the ready state is changed to 4 and the status is equal to 200, the response text of the XML HTTP request is assigned to the variable t, and like in the sign-in process, if the t is success, we are sent to the home page, like I demonstrated previously. And if not, like the error message, it is alerted like stated here. And then brings the end of today's video. We're gonna discuss the remember me function in the next video. Thank you for watching.